Ready to go? Pilots, arm your quads. Live on the tone, less than 5. Flying J once again leading the charge. And survival of the fittest, we just lost Mookie. I heard a click over to the left-hand side. He's on his lid, gonna try and recover his craft remotely to get out of it using the turtle mode, but I'm not sure if that's gonna pan out for him. And we lost Sparky the Gray. Down to 2. Whoa, someone got up. We had a midair. This is just gnarliness. Mookie got back up and took someone out. Oh my gosh. Just as you get up, after all that, you're inverted. You get yourself righted, you take off, and bam, clipping another quad. I don't want to put any forks in any quads, but if you're still flying, I think you're moving on in the winner's bracket. You can race it out. You're about 13 seconds apart right now. Flying J onto that final lap. White flag flying for him. And Don't Break having some fun as well in this one. Running in the number 2 spot, and he's going to be moving up with Flying J to race number 12. No channel changes for them. Final lap for both pilots. Flying J doing a carousel gate to our hurdle, yawing before the second to last gate for the start finish. And through our line, he's done 3 laps, 1:45 for Mr. Patel. And just with Don't Break to finish up. That was race number 9. 8:10, once it's clear, Engineer, Sticks and Stones, Speeder Fuse, and Boomerang FPV, you'll be up. On deck will be Sparky MJ, Aerial Link, Joe Cool, and Single Core, and the whole will be Flying J. Don't Break, Flying J, and I think first and second of this next race. So close, crowning our champion.